Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2014 Impala LTZ 2LZ. It's a one owner. It's got a 3.6 liter V6 engine. "19-inch rims. Still some good tread on those tires. Does have your power windows and your power locks. Light gray leather interior, very clean car, very well maintained. Dual climate controls. Does have your AM/FM stereo or Sirius XM CD player and navigational system. Does have the power sunroof. Nice roomy back seat. Seats do fold down for extra storage. Does have your rear backup camera. Nice roomy trunk. Coming into the driver's side. Does have a heated steering wheel with heated seats. Steering wheel controls for your radio and your Bluetooth. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2014 Impala LTZ 2LZ.